Welcome to a WIC How-To, a DIY hands-free pumping bra. For this DIY, you will need a comfortable sports bra, scissors, a marker, and all of your pump parts. For step 1, put your sports bra on and use your marker to put a small dot where your nipples are located. For step 2, take your sports bra off and with your scissors cut a very small hole where you placed your dots. For step 3, take the flange off your pump and slip it through the hole you just created. The part that touches your brush should be on the inside of the bra. You can now place the flange back on your pump parts. And finally, put your sports bra back on, attach the tubing from your pump, and now you can pump hands-free.